fishing back with another video. So I normally haven't started my videos like this, but I'm on a plane right now. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm flying over Mexico right now. We're going to a beach, and hopefully it should be a fun time, and we might do some fishing. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is my view, and it's just like down there, there's a couple iguanas, but I have a jacuzzi, which is pretty awesome. And then just out here, it's just like, and then there's the ocean over there. So it should be a fun time, and it's like so hot and it's so humid. So this should be a fun vacation. Okay guys, so it's day 2, and I just want to show you this view right here. It's from the main lobby, there's the pool, and then there's the ocean. It's pretty much awesome, and right down there, there's like walkways and stuff. A ton of iguanas. I just haven't seen one, so I could show you guys, but it is just so cool here, and the service is awesome. So one more, that's the view. It's pretty cool. Okay guys, so I just found an iguana. He's all the way up there. There's so much in this little area right here, but there's the iguana again. You know those moments at those fancy restaurants when you order soup and it turns out looking like that? No. That's pretty good. That's my soup right there. Walking around and found an iguana right there. I'm having a crepe right now, and the lizard is right there.
Not a lizard.
I mean iguana. The really big iguana is right there. And there's the other one. Right there. Mommy's got your tooth! It's scary. Mommy's coming! Day 3 in Mexico, we are having a hibachi dinner. So I'll be showing you a little bit of the cooking.
Fire time! Would you like a little or big fire?
Big!
Big fire! Ready, 1, 2, 3!
So after the hibachi, we walked around, didn't want to vlog any of that because there's really nothing. So right now, it is 2 days since I last vlogged. So after hibachi, the day after, we went snorkeling. And when we went snorkeling, it was a fun time. I have some videos of the big fish we saw. And then the day after that, I have some scuba dive. I went scuba diving in the pool, like a short little demo. So I'll be showing you that to you guys right now. basically after that, when I went snorkeling, we went back, swam in the pool, and then we kind of knew there was a storm coming, but it turned out to be a tropical storm. So it's like the next morning after yesterday, and it just picked up so much. So I'm gonna go show you that right now. So basically this is how it looks, just from outside, going outside. I have you guys in a plastic cover so the camera doesn't get wet, but that's how it looks. It's like those things you see in a horror movie where the palm trees are like about to fall over, but over there's the ocean, and it's just like coming in really fast. And in the hotel, I'm just like getting blocked by this door over here, but as soon as I go turn over, I get soaking wet. But it's just crazy how like bad it gets. And it just goes soft, and then it just pounds, and then like it's just crazy. So we're inside right now. Might order some room service or something, but it's picking up like a lot. One of the crazy moments is I don't know if you guys can see, but it's raining like really hard, and if I would be out there I would be getting soaked. But it's just we're in the room right now. It's pretty boring, but we'll have to deal with it. So I didn't realize while editing this video that the snorkeling would take that long. So I'm just going to be putting it into another video, and just here's a quick little demo of what you're going to be seeing in the next video. It's the same day, and the wind really picked up in the rain. I don't know if you guys could see because the water's getting in the camera, but it is pouring. We're going to an all-you-can-eat buffet, but so there's a last full day in Mexico, and it's pretty much nighttime right now, as you can see right there. We spent most of our time on the beach, and it's just been a great time. We're trying to enjoy the rest, so we're getting something to eat right now. We're waiting, taking pictures and stuff. The reason why I couldn't go fishing is like the Tropical Storm was the last clip. I'm pretty sure. The water's getting in the camera, but it is pouring. We're going to an all-you-can-eat buffet, but that was the last clip, and that's the reason why we just couldn't go. It was pretty much like the waves are so big. Like the boats that we're taking were like those old wooden boats, like pieces of styrofoam and stuff, basically. And you know, they weren't letting you out on the reef just as a safety thing. So we had fun here. So definitely stay tuned for the next video that's going to be coming out, like the snorkeling and stuff. But here, I just want to show you, we were walking on the beach taking pictures, and we saw this crab right here, so it'll be right there right now. Okay, so we're leaving the hotel right now, and we're going to the airport, so maybe I'll do a little vlogging on in the airport and on the plane. But it should, it's kind of sad that we're leaving because we had such a good time, but we're leaving right now, so see you at the airport. Okay, at the airport, walking down, going into the plane. I think it's gonna be 2 hours, 3 hours, but it should be. I get a window seat, so we'll go in and we'll see our seats. Okay, so I have my seat. I'm at a window seat, but I don't know if you can see it's raining a little bit, but the clouds are fine. So there might be a delay if we've been in the spot for about like 5 minutes and we haven't moved. So I don't know, but there's other planes passing. So we're just waiting for the takeoff, and then it's 3 hours and like 20 something minutes till we get there. And when we get home, we'll do some more fishing. So yeah. We are taking off right now. So we're going to be landing soon, and we're flying over, probably Queens, and there it is. We're pretty close to the ground, like an airplane, but we're landing soon, so. Okay guys, so we're on the way back. We're in the car right now. We're going back to my house, and we're crossing this bridge, and we just see like the sun over there. It's kind of cool, I guess, but it's so big and it's like so bright, and it's really cool. I think here we'll get another view, and I'll zoom in this time. It's kind of cool. Okay guys, back at my house, and we're just sitting here. We're gonna go eat, and that's really it. That's really it for my vacation. So we're gonna be going to Wildwood in 1 week, so stay tuned for those videos, and hopefully my next video is gonna be the snorkeling. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video of my vacation, and let's go fishing out.